While you're stuck in your head, life is happening without you, and that's not what you deserve. Do you ever feel like your brain just won't shut off? I'm here today to help you with that. So stick around to the end, and I promise this will help. You know, sometimes your mind keeps playing the same old thoughts on loop, analyzing every word, every move, every outcome that hasn't even happened yet. Yeah, it's overthinking, and it's exhausting. So let's start with some real tools to quiet that noise so you can finally breathe. You know, overthinking, it isn't clarity. It's just disguised fear. Fear of getting it wrong, fear of not being enough, fear of the unknown. But here's the thing. No amount of thinking can control every outcome. Overthinking will not prepare you. It paralyzes you, in fact. While you're stuck in your head, life is happening without you, and that's not what you deserve. So here it is. Step 1, become aware of the spiral without attacking yourself for it. When your mind starts to race, just say, I'm overthinking right now, and that's okay. But I don't have to stay here. You're not broken. You're not weak. Your mind is just trying to protect you the only way it knows how to, and that is through control. But peace doesn't come from control. It comes from presence. Write them down, say them out loud, put them on paper so you stop taking up the space in your mind. Half the time, what's overwhelming in your head looks manageable once it's visible. When you give your thoughts a place to land, they will stop spinning. Clarity starts when chaos leaves the echo chamber of your mind. That's right, the echo chamber of your mind. And finally, do something, anything. Overthinking thrives in stillness. It feeds off indecision. So instead of trying to get it perfect, try this. What's one small action I can take right now? One text, one walk, one step. That is all it will take to break the cycle. Action creates momentum, and momentum shuts down the spiral. You don't need every answer to move forward. You just need to trust yourself. And in the process, in the fact that not everything has to be solved in your head to be healed in your life. So breathe. You're not behind. You are not broken. You are just one clear thought away from peace. That's right. Listen, if this helped you, share it with someone else who overthinks everything too. I know. I've been guilty of it myself. And listen, subscribe for more ways to reset your mind and reclaim your power, because if you can think it, you can dream it. And if you can dream it, then you can do it. Until next time.